means we can start further solve this quadratic equation. A is equal to root 3, B is equal to minus root 3, sorry, B equal to minus root 2 and C equal to 3 root 3. First find out delta. Delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square is equal to minus root 2 square minus 4AC. Okay, minus root 2 square equal to 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. This is equal to minus 34. Okay, minus 34, that means 34I square. Either you can write down here 34I square, otherwise you have to write down in delta. I square equal to minus 1. Now start x is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. B is equal to minus root 2. That's why this is root 2 plus or minus 34I square upon 2 into a equal to root 3. Therefore 2 root 3 plus or minus root 3 4I upon 2 root 3. Okay. Now basic rule is denominator is never an irrational number. Therefore multiply and divided by root 3. A basic rule of mathematics. Otherwise 2 root 2 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 plus or minus root 3 4 upon 2 root 3I. This is cut. Therefore 1 plus or minus divided and multiplied by root 3. Because I want to remove root 3. Therefore 2 root 3 into root 3 into I. Multiply and divided by root 3. Therefore 1 plus or minus 34 3s are 4 3s are 12 into 1 into 102 I divided by 6. Okay, this is basic answer. A very easy sum. If you give simplification till this term, it is always right, or this term it is always right. Both are a correct answer. Now let example number 9. Here a equal to 1, otherwise let root 2 be a LCM. There are two possibilities. Let root 2 be a LCM. Root 2x square plus root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. A equal to root 2, B equal to root 2, C equal to 1. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Then a equal to root 2, b equal to root 2 and c equal to 1. Let delta equal to b square minus 4ac. B square equal to root 2 square minus 4ac. Root 2 square means 2. 4 root 2. Clear? Okay. Now give simplification. X equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. Minus b means minus root 2 plus or minus root delta means 2 minus 4 root 2 upon 2 into a equal to root 2. Now it is very clear, 4 root 2 is bigger than 2. 4 root 2 is greater than 2. Okay. Now that's why 4 root 2 minus 2 is greater than 0. Therefore 2 minus 4 root 2 is less than 0. Multiply by minus. When we have to multiply by minus, then your inequality should be changed. Therefore this is 2 minus 4 root 2. Therefore 2 minus 4 root 2 is negative. Therefore minus root 2 plus or minus, let minus be a common, minus 4 root 2 minus 2. 4 root 2 minus 2 positive upon 2 root 2. Okay, minus root 2 plus or minus, this is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to I square. 4 root 2 minus 2 I square upon 2 root 2. Okay. Now let 4 be a, otherwise root 2 be a common. Let 2 be a common here. Let 2 be a common. That's why minus root 2 plus or minus. 2 and 2 common, that's why outside square root it is root 2. Again 2 and 2 common, that's why outside root it is root 2. Okay, that's why this is 2 is outside, but 2 root 2, 2 is outside is 1, I square outside is I upon 2 root 2. Let root 2 common and cancel out, plus or minus 2 root 2 minus 1 into I upon 2. This is the final answer. Very superb and easy example. Okay, now let example number 10. This is the last example of this exercise. After then we will be start a new topic of this chapter. Okay, again let root 2 be LCM. Sometimes few teachers are let A is equal to 1, B equal to 1 upon root 2 and C equal to 1. It is always right. Otherwise let root 2 be LCM. There are two possibilities. Root 2x square plus x plus. Therefore A equal to root 2, B equal to 1 and C equal to root 2. Okay. Now delta is equal to B square minus 4ac. B square means 1 minus 4ac. 1 minus root 2 into root 2, 2 into 4, 8. This is equal to minus 7. That's why 7I square. Therefore x equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a minus b. B is equal to 1. Therefore minus 1 plus or minus 7I square upon 2 into root 2 minus 1 plus or minus root 7I upon 2 root 2. Till this step example is so simple, and now is again also simple. Here by mathematical rule, denominator never be irrational number. Here irrational number is root 2. We have to remove a irrational number. Here irrational number is root 2. About root 2 to multiply and root 2 to divide. That's why minus root 2 plus or minus 7 2s are 49 upon root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4. This is the final answer. In standard 10, we have let alpha and beta be separate, but in 11th they are take together. Both roots we have to take together. There is no certain otherwise any other formula to take alpha and beta be other to be adjoint. Okay, now we can complete it. Exercise number 4.4. Next time we will be start exercise 4.5. It is the last topic of this chapter and very simple of this chapter.